He installed 2 sharp steel forks on the front of the car, then connected the cables on the steel forks to the 1,000-volt high-voltage wires in the trunk, and then turned on the main power switch. Once everything was ready, Jimmy had his partner start the car while he put on a helmet to observe the effect of these high-voltage steel forks. Unexpectedly, as soon as his partner pressed the switch, the intense high voltage knocked Jimmy to the ground from a meter away, but he still wasn't satisfied with the effect. So Jimmy added another 1,000 volts of high voltage. After some adjustments, he had his partner press the red button again. This time, the voltage was much more stable. Watching the crackling current, Jimmy was very excited, but the entire auto repair shop couldn't handle the 2,000 volts, and the power automatically tripped. So Jimmy added several extra large batteries to the trunk. Next, he was ready to drive this high-voltage sports car to chase down the vicious drug dealers. The modified car could not only release high voltage, but also ran twice as fast. Soon, he caught up with the drug dealer's car. When he was 1 meter away from the car ahead, he floored the accelerator. The barbs on the steel forks instantly hooked onto the undercarriage of the car in front. Then he pressed the red button. The high voltage released instantly sent sparks flying from the car ahead, immediately followed by an explosion. The car in front flipped over hundreds of times. Seeing the vehicle behind being attacked, the drug lord in the middle car quickly ordered his men to suppress Jimmy with firepower. Unexpectedly, Jimmy's driving skills were also superb. He drove in an S-shaped pattern and successfully dodged every bullet. Then, using the same method, he inserted the steel forks into this car's undercarriage. But just as he was about to release the high voltage, the car's electrical system suddenly malfunctioned. He angrily kept pounding on the button. Unexpectedly, after all that pounding, not only did the voltage return to normal, it actually reached maximum value. The massive explosion instantly sent the car in front flying 10 meters high, but unexpectedly, when it fell back down, it landed directly on the trunk of the steel fork car. The electrical system was once again on the verge of collapse. But not only did Jimmy not stop the car, he actually pushed the speed to maximum and hooked the steel forks onto the last remaining drug dealer's car ahead. But that car had also been modified. Seeing this, the driver quickly activated the nitrous boost. At that speed, Jimmy's car could no longer keep up. Soon, the front end was pulled away from the body by the powerful force from the car ahead.